from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're doing a pork tenderloin. It's going to get a herb seasoned rub and a glaze, and at the end a pan sauce over the top. Now this is a Dijon mustard based one. It'll probably be a little darker and not as mustardy looking because unlike some folks I use the pan drippings to be a part of the sauce, so that comes out a little bit darker. But to me that's where half the flavor is. So this is a honey Dijon pork tenderloin. So let's get to it. The ingredients for this Dijon mustard pork tenderloin, I've got a couple of pork tenderloins there. I'm going to trim off that rest of that membrane. It's 3 parts. They have the seasoning blend, which is onion powder and thyme and rosemary and cumin, and we'll do a rub on that. Then we have the glaze, which is going to be soy sauce, parents and maple syrup, and some Dijon mustard, and then your Dijon mustard cream sauce, which is going to be butter, heavy cream, garlic, Dijon mustard, thyme, and some lemon juice. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is just kind of mix my seasonings around here so that they're all blended and together. And then I'm going to put that on my pork tenderloin, kind of massage that in there. And then we're going to sear these. While my pan is heating up, we're going to make the glaze quick to set aside. I have the maple syrup here, a tablespoon of that. And of course, as always, the recipe will be in the description below the video. The Dijon mustard, the parents. Tablespoon of that. This is all tablespoon. And the soy sauce. And we'll mix that together and have that set aside so that as soon as our tenderloins are done searing, we can get the glaze on them. Well, that's that. We'll get a nice hard sear on all sides. It'll take about 3 minutes or so for each side of this to sear up nice. And my stove is, my oven is preheating at 375. Okay, I've got a nice sear on these guys. Now we're going to brush it with the glaze. And now she's going to go in the oven for 15 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over and do another 15 minutes. And by then she ought to be about done. Okay, these guys are out of the oven. Internal temperature at around 150. I'm going to put these to a plate and we're going to make our pan sauce next. So, get my fire going here. And we're going to melt our butter. And I'm going to use all the goodies left over from the glaze. So much flavor left in these little bits and pieces, and I don't want to miss any of it. I'm going to throw in my garlic, get that sauteed. going to slowly add my cream, my Dijon, and my lemon juice. And last of my seasoning. I'll let that simmer here a couple minutes. My pork will have been rested, and we can slice her up and put the pan sauce over top, and you know what comes next. Now before I sauce this, I just want you to see how beautiful, juicy, and lovely that pork tenderloin is. That's yummy with that crust and glaze, even without the pan sauce. But it makes it just a little bit more with the pan sauce. And there we go. Pork tenderloin with a Dijon mustard pan sauce. Look at all that beautiful porky goodness there. The proof is in the taste, so let's find out. Oh my God. That's so good. I love the Dijon mustard. Pork is great because it can take on almost any kind of flavoring, sort of like chicken. It's so versatile. But this honey Dijon is just really good. And honestly, I love the pan sauce, but I think it's just as good just with the herb crusting and the glaze. But it wasn't that hard to do. It looks like a fancy dish, and it'd be a good dish for Easter or another holiday too. So you want to give that a shot. The Dijon mustard pork tenderloin. 2 thumbs up.